when do you expect to see peak inflation?
I think by many accounts, we already have seen inflation peaked. If you look at April CPI, core PCE, and flash PMI data, we've seen signs of a peak already. The problem is inflation hasn't come down as fast as we would hope so. And that's making a very difficult job for Jerome Powell. It's been this tug of war the entire year where inflation starts to peak, but then the economy is hurting. And if the economy is doing well, inflation's out of control. So it makes it for a very difficult market, and there's been some irrational trading behavior around that as well. It's almost as if the selling is causing more selling. So another anecdotal piece of evidence that inflation could be peaking is when looking at the Walmart and Target earnings reports from last week. So I don't know if you're familiar with this, but the best solution for higher prices, Jonathan, is higher prices. And that's exactly what we were seeing with Walmart and Target. There were fewer big ticket items being purchased and more small margin consumer staple items such as food that were being purchased. And that led to some of the worst market returns in those two stocks since the 1980s. And when Walmart and Target miss, the rest of the street is going to pay attention. It wasn't a broad-based retail sell-off though. Dick's, Kohl's, TJ Maxx, they gave really good forward guidance. And even Home Depot did well on earnings. However, their transactions were down nearly 10%. While their revenues maintained the same, that looks like another inflationary pressure as well, that people are spending more money on fewer goods. So I think with a little help on the geopolitical front, we may be able to see peak inflation towards the end of the summer in the 3 to 5% range.